Jalwa, Jalwa. Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Gorgeous with attitude in every latitude. Miss Hot Booty, come on, baby, do your duty work.
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, किस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा.
Tell them like it is. I can't hear you.
दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, महकश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा, नशा ही नशा.
Throw it up, throw it up.
आग सी रवानियां,
I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it.
लेती गए अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये चला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
She got the style in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the style in her.
Come, come along, feel the rhythm is in the air. Shake it alone, yeah. Keep swinging in style. Move by my side, as the music is soaring. Going shouting and roaring,
Tell me, can we
dancing on the high.
है अदा का नजराना, हर जुबा को अफसाना, हर किसी पे छा जाना. हो ये जलवा, हो ये जलवा, कर दे सबको मस्ताना. हर जमाना दीवाना, इनमें दौरे दिखलाना. हाँ ये जलवा, हाँ ये जलवा, और किसी रवानियों.
I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it.
लेती गई अंगड़ाइयां.
Yo, I'm the hottest girl around.
ये चला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, ये जलवा,
Check it.
फैशन का है ये
And
जलवा.
on the feet, throw
ये
it up.
जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
Like it
ये
is.
जलवा, ये जलवा,
I can't hear you.
फैशन का है ये जलवा.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment has arrived. I now want to introduce to you a talented singer who has already produced 10 albums. He's also acted in a Bollywood film called Actually Ishq that was released last month. Put your hands together for Vijay Jogia.
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा. हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा. तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे, खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा. क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो. चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो. Come on, guys. रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवारा नहीं। तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी, कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस पे नाम तेरा। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। हाँ guys, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो। तेरे लिए ही जिया मैं खुद को जो यूं दे दिया है, तेरी वफा ने मुझको संभाला, सारे गमों को दिल से निकाला। तेरे साथ मेरा है नसीब जुदा, तुझे पाके अधूरा न रहा। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो। जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। Thank you very much. Thank you. Wow. I think you guys look like a very good audience. Oh, I like to hear some more applause. Can't hear you. Wow, that's good. I think you guys are going to be, you sound like a very good audience today. I'm going to, let's see. I'm going to introduce to you the show organizer, one of the show organizers. He's an actor, he's a film producer, a director, and he has worked on several TV shows, TVS and lots of other shows. And he's a very well-known personality, at least amongst the Indian and all other communities. So now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'd like to invite Navneet on stage, please. A round of applause for Navneet.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you. He said I'm very well known. Well, you can be either famous or notorious. I don't know what I am. Okay, good evening, everyone. I can see a lot of vacant seats, but I don't know. In India, we say, we have the standard, like we have AEST, we have IST in India, which is Indian Standard Time, but we often call it Indian Stretchable Time. So I think everyone is stretching it to the maximum, but I hope everyone is here in time to watch all these gorgeous girls who put their heart into their performances. I was going to tell you a little bit about the show. It's called Dream Girl, and it's a dream. It's a dream which, started 4 years ago with a small little meeting where we decided to come up with something which transcended all boundaries and, gave everyone an opportunity to come and showcase their talent, no matter where they came from, what age group they were, or what they did. We've come a long way. We had a break of 2 years, but in 2010, when we had our first event, it was very widely appreciated. People liked what we were doing, and we thought we'll continue, but due to some, we always have hurdles Even in races, we have hurdles. So we had a hurdle, we had to have a break for 2 years, but we are back. It does seem like 20 years, but I promise you from this year onwards, we will be back here every year, making it bigger and better. And we already have plans to go on television, go to England, go to Canada, maybe back to India too. So all I want to request you today is, these girls have put in a lot of hard work. They've put in a lot of effort. Please support them. Please applaud them for what they are doing. And there is, the girls don't know it yet, there is an audience choice which we've come out with. So we will be giving you a chance to vote for your favorite contestant. So if you like someone, no matter you know her or you don't know her, do vote for her and make her win. And before I go, I would like to call on Anju, who's been with me in this dream and made it possible. A round of applause for her, please. I had almost given up on this event, but then she supported me, and here we are doing it once again.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I didn't know this was going to happen. This is a surprise. He's called me. Well, we've tried to put up effort. We started in May, and we were auditioning all over. Some of you know that we were auditioning in different parts of Sydney. We managed to get some beautiful, talented girls from various communities. And all I want to say is, please support them. And, who knows, they might be big stars tomorrow. And thank you for coming here. Thank you once again.
When you come to see Dream Girl, you don't expect a person like me to come and, host the show. You look for somebody more attractive, more gorgeous, more younger. I'm going to introduce our MC for today, who is a star in her own right. She's recently won the Mrs. Australia Multiverse competition in April 2014. She's a filmmaker, she's an actor, she's a model. She's produced a film which is, it's called Absolution. It's gone to 3 international film festivals. And ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce Yolandi Franken? A big round of applause for her, please. There she is, right in her attire.
Good evening, everyone.
I think it's better I make a move now. Yolandi will take care of you. Thank you very much. Thank you again.
I hope you're all as excited about tonight as what we are. I have to say, those girls look amazing. I'm so glad I'm not a judge, because I would not be able to judge them. They would just all win in my books. So tonight we are going to have a look at the girls. And as Navneet said, you are able to vote for them as well. So please make sure you do that. But I also want to introduce to you all our wonderful judges who's got the hard job. So first up is Anton Beeb. If you can stand up when your name is called out. Anton is a AFTRS, Australian Film and Television School graduate. He's got a Bachelor in Arts in Film Directing. Ever since then, he's been making commercials, music videos, and short films, and he's won many awards. Next up, we've got Shaila Quadra. There she is. Shaila is an actress, a writer, producer, director, and author. Shaila, I don't know when you sleep, women. Her film, Bradford Will Be Mine, was actually entered into the New York City Film Festival, and it was accepted. And not only that, Shaila won the Best Lead Actress Award for that festival. So well done. She's also written a book called 7 Steps for Film Festival Success. As I said, Shaila, I don't know when you get a break. And next to her is Bruce Hushman. He's also a musician, filmmaker, and he loves watching Bollywood movies. And if you guys ever wondered why my teeth look so healthy, that is because Bruce is also a dentist, and he's my dentist. He's the best dentist there is, I promise. Emily Wong. She's grown up in a family with lots of celebrities and actors, and she's worked on Hollywood films as well. And at the moment, she lectures in film and television. Now, I want to get Navneet back on stage, because he's going to introduce the rest of the judges for you.
See, I knew it would be hard for you.
I know, there's some names that I just can't pronounce. Sorry.
Yeah, all right. Our next judge is somebody who is very popular in Sydney over the airwaves. I'm going to just say a few lines in Hindi, and I'm sure most of you will understand. I'll also translate that. It says, वो एक है लाखों में तुम हजारों की बात करते हो वो चांद है हमारा क्यों सितारों की बात करते हो. I'm talking about Uzma Beg. She's an RJ on Interlink Radio. She's got a morning program which many people follow. I've been following for the last 10 years. So she's with us, and the lines that I said was that she's not 1 in 1,000, she's 1 in a million. And she's not a star, she's the moon itself. So, thank you. And our next judge, she was not there when I was on stage 2 minutes ago, but she's there now. She was Miss India in 1986. So I think the only Miss India in Australia, residing in Australia. Am I right? She's an actor, model, and when Shah Rukh Khan was here a few months ago, I saw her on stage with Shah Rukh Khan, and I was so jealous. I thought she was fine. I should have been there with her. Poonam Gidwani. Round of applause for her, please. And also we have a judge today who's performing, multiple activities. He's a multi-talented person. He's the star of Sydney. He's known as the best Bollywood dancer in Sydney, Varun Tiwari. He's also at the live editing today. He's doing our show, filming our show. A dear friend, a real talented actor. He was currently the subject of a documentary also, which was titled I Can, and it was based on his dreams and his struggle in Sydney. And coincidentally, Anton was there marking that documentary. So we've all got together today, and it's time to start the show. And I'll call back Vijay Jogia with another number, and after that, you get to see all the girls.
Yes, and trust me, it's going to be worth it.
Thank you.
At Fortune World Travel, you'll find the lowest available prices on domestic flights to all destinations around Australia, as well as cheap international flights to a huge range of worldwide destinations. We won't be beaten on price and will beat any comparable quote.
Plus, we offer 0% booking fees and 0% credit charges.
Call 1300 837 920 or visit www.fortuneworldtravel.com.au.
On to आज की रात.
नहीं इतना डांस करना है यार.
सॉन्ग नहीं है तभी तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आज की रात के लिए रेडी हैं कि नहीं.